English classes. Today we have to learn present perfect tense, active voice and passive voice affirmative sentence. Active voice structure: subject plus has or have plus main verb third form plus object plus other. We know very well, when subject is singular number, then we use has helping verb. If subject is plural number, then we use have. After that we have to use main verb third form, then object and other. Then we have to change this sentence into passive voice. That time we use this structure: object plus has or have plus been, main verb third form plus other by subject. In this way we can make passive voice tense. Present perfect tense: when object is singular number, then we use has. When object is plural number, then we use have. After that we have to use been, main verb third form, other and by subject. Example: Ravi has written a new story book. This is the active voice affirmative sentence. Here Ravi is a singular number, that's why we have to use here has singular number. After that we have to use written as a third form of the main verb, and a new story is our new story book is the object of the sentence. So we have to change this sentence into passive voice. Then we have to take object of the active voice. A new story book is the object of the active voice. That's why we have to take this in a subject of the passive voice. A new story book. It is singular number, that's why we have to use has. Been written by Ravi. Next example: boys have played many games. Here many games is the object of this sentence and it is the plural number, that's why we have to use many games. After that have been, main verb third form, played by boys. Then perfect negative sentence: when we make active voice negative sentence, then we use subject, after that helping verb has have, after that we have to use not, after that main verb third form, object and other. After when we change into passive voice, then we use structure: object plus has or have plus not plus been plus mean to third form plus other or by subject. Example, before example we have to explain this. If subject is a singular number, so we use has and has. If subject is plural number, then use have. After that we have to use not and mean verb third form and object and other. When we change into passive voice, that time we must remember object is singular number, then we use have, has. If object is plural number, then use have. After that we have to use not. We must keep it. If has is written and been, so must use not between this. Okay. Example, he has read the Gita. And negative, he has not read the Gita. In affirmative, the Gita has been read by him. When we have to change this sentence into negative, that time we must remember after has, first helping verb, we have to use not. So this sentence is negative. The Gita has not been read by him. In this way, we can make present perfect negative sentence. Turn the interrogative sentence. Active voice sentence interrogative, we have to use has or have as a helping verb. After that, we have to use subject, mean verb third form, object, and other after question mark. When beginning of the sentence helping verb and end with question mark, that sentence is known as the interrogative sentence. So it is also known as the as no interrogative sentence, positive interrogative sentence. When we have to change this sentence into passive voice, then we use has or have. After that, object, then been, main verb third form, other, by subject, and in with question mark. So in the passive voice also use helping verb has as a helping verb. After that we have to use object. According to object we have to use has and have, and after that we have to use been, main verb third form, other, and by subject. Example, Ramesh has told this story. This is a affirmative sentence. When we change this sentence into interrogative, has Ramesh told this story. Here, this story has been told by Ramesh. This is a affirmative sentence. When affirmative sentence into interrogative sentence in passive voice, begin of the sentence we have to use helping verb. So has this story been told by Ramesh, and in with question mark. In this way, sentence has been completed. Has Ramesh told this story? In this sentence in interrogative and change into passive voice. Has this story been told by Ramesh? In this way, we can make active voice interrogative sentence and passive voice interrogative sentence. Use of this structure. Thank you for watching this video.